Sa mga katulad ko na minsan nahihirapan ka na i-brush your teeth yung toddler mo, yung 1-year-old mo, ganito yung technique na gawin mo kasi ito, effective to kay Baby Maddie kasi may time na ayaw niya talagang magpa-brush, talagang nag-warla siya, ayaw niya. So, ang ginagawa ko, ganito guys. Maddie, hello! Brush your teeth na!
Which one do you like? Which one do you like? This one?
Okay, brush your teeth!
Brush your teeth.
Oh, brush your teeth na ha. So, ganito ang ginagawa ko. Nagpe-play po ako ng video, ayan, na about brush your teeth. So, ito yung yung pinapanood namin kapag brush your teeth na. Tapos kumakanta-kanta kami. Ayan. Tignan nyo siya. Oh, diba? Ganyan. Ito. O, sasabayan namin mag-brush your teeth yan. Wait lang. Brush na kami. Sasabay kami dito sa video kasi ayaw niya magpa-brush eh. Ito gawin namin. Brush your teeth. Okay. Brush your teeth. Up and down. Brush diba? Yan. Effective to.
Brush your teeth from left to right.
Gustong gusto niya.
Brush your teeth in the morning and night. Brush,
Nice.
brush, brush. Brush
Pag
your
walang
teeth
ganyan,
in
minsan
the
ayaw
morning
niya eh.
and
Kaya yan
night.
yung technique ko para makapag-brush. Oh.
Brush your teeth to keep
Ako mga mami sa to gawin nyo.
Brush
Open
begun.
your mouth. Open your
Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush.
Open
Brush
your
your
mouth.
teeth when the day's begun.
Diba? Pag natapos yung kanta na yan, doon na rin matatapos yung brushing
Just
namin.
open
Open your
wide.
mouth. Open your mouth.
Brush your
Very
teeth from side to
good.
side. Brush your
Open your
teeth, you
mouth
sleepy
widely.
head. Brush your teeth before you go
Open,
to
open more.
bed. Brush, brush, brush.
Yan, good
Brush, brush, brush.
job.
Brush
Oh,
your
ay,
teeth
tumulog.
before you go to
Open.
bed.
Open, open. Open more. Oh. Diba? Very good yan.
Very good.
Brush your teeth round and round. Brush your teeth.
Brush, brush, brush. Nana. Ayan ha. Sa mga mamis dyan, na katulad ko may times na nanihirapan na ipa-brush ng teeth. Ang toddler nyo, ang kid nyo, ang 1-year-old nyo, itry nyo to. Manood kayo habang nag-brush siya. Effective yon.